Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to use Canva to do simple phone design, graphic design. So this is a Canva here. If your own is outdated, make sure you update it. Let's wait for it to load. Yeah, and it's loading. Make sure your data is on. Make sure your data is on. So you can just go through to see different things you can use the app for: Instagram posts, logos, and other stuff. They have each size is like that, but for this tutorial we'll just be taking a look at one, then later you can just check. So if you check under Instagram post here, we can just pick anyone we like and then edit them. So we can let me just pick these and navigate through some pictures. So remember to allow the page to load. So there are some things you can do. First of all, the page, you can add up the page. You can add up the page by coming here down at the left hand side. You can add more than one page. So you can just, if you click on it, then come here to double the page. So once we double it, the page will be 2 copies, and you can work on any of them or just edit through. So let's just work on one. Let me delete one, then let's go back. So here basically you can just come up here and write anything. Maybe you want to inform your customer about a new product or stuff, or maybe just a quote. So you can just come here and edit. But I don't want us to use this, so let me just delete this. I will delete this, then put up another write up. So come here to delete this and delete. So if I don't want this background as well, I can as well delete or change it or navigate it any I want, but I still want it. And let's just put the write up. So once you want to do that, there is something here, this plus icon, click on it. So once you click on it, there are various features here. We have text, we have image, we have video, we have sticker, and so many things like that. We have illustration templates, logos, and if you want to add any page, so you can just navigate through and see how they work. Was let's just add text. So if you want to add text, it will ask you, do you want to search for text or you want to add your own? So if you want to search for text, you can come up here and search for text. If you want to add your own, come up here and add your own. And there are some specification they have given you down there if it goes. If you really like it or any of them, you can just choose and edit some of the text here. So let's say I pick choose. If I pick this now, I can just edit it. Okay, welcome to my page. You see, welcome to my page. So down here I can just name that one, welcome to my page. Then I increase it and set it to the middle, or you can just set it anyhow you want it. So if I want to add anything down there, I can just go to the same text and add my own, or just put anything, maybe my page. Okay, let's just say at Locoso _ productions. So that's Instagram handle. Then if you want to edit this text, there are so many things you can just go through. This is the font, this is the size, this is the color. So if you click here, it shows how you want to centralize it. If it is here bold, italic, then if you want the text to go up and now you go there, then spacing, you come here. So there are many features you can use, but if we try to use all of them, we'll be spending more time. So if you want to navigate this text now, you see this particular line. Yes, you can use it just to drag the text, and let's drag and see. You can see it is now on one line. Then you can pick any of the four corners of the text, any of that four corner, any of these four corner, to just drag in and drag out, zoom in and zoom out. You can see zoom in and zoom out. So I can just place it anywhere. Maybe let's just place it down here and see how it goes. Then the next thing, if I want to add maybe social media handle, so I'll go to that same plus down here. I'll go to that same plus and go to illustration. I'll go to illustration here. So if I click on illustration, it will give me shapes, illustrations, frame, line, icon, and other stuff, and it will like, okay, give me other samples under here. But for the sake of this video, let's just search for the illustration one. So let's say Instagram and click the search button. Then it will give you different type of Instagram icon that you want. I usually use this, so let's just click on this. And once it's come up, you can just navigate it through like we did for the text. Just pick up there, then you can come up and drag it up. Then when you want to zoom, just put two finger on the screen, then drag it out. Yes, then drag it out, then click on that particular stuff, then reduce it back. You reduce and shift as you want it. You can just reduce and shift as you want it. So once you are okay with that, come down here, up here, that particular space, you can click it and it will go down. So I think we are making sense now. Welcome to my page. So this only I can just post it for normal Instagram posts, like welcome to my page. So let's say I want to add pictures to this. So let's just drag small and say I want to add a picture of maybe one of my items. So welcome to my page. I'm just shifting and dragging. So come to that plus, and I don't want to use image of this. Then let's use image of maybe phone or other stuff like so. The same illustration, and we go to frame. Yes, there are many frames here that I can put up there and add picture of that particular items that I'm talking about. There are different one, there are different things here, so you can just pick the one that you like. So let's say we pick this, and I will just drag it and shift. It's just about drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. So once I set it up, like if I click on the image, it will bring edit up for me. It will bring the editing. So if I want to edit now, sorry, this is the color of this stuff. Like so, if I want to edit, sorry, so let's go to the editing. So if I click on here, sorry, so the color here, you can go to image, sorry, color, okay, yes, this bring it up. If I want to undo what I just do now, you come up here and click the arrow. So that's just how it goes. But I don't really like this, so let's delete and put another template or icon up. Let's go to that frame again, Okay, let's use this iPad. Yes, let's use it. Let me decrease this, come up here, then let's use this iPad. Yes, so click on it, then it will bring option that you should change different color of the component of that iPad. Then at the transparent type here, you can just go and shift it up. The more you use this app, the more you know about it. So just click on one of the color and see if it brings image. What we are looking after is, once you click on the color here will not be one, it will bring image at the side here or side here. So let's see, that one is not the one. Then click on it back, click on this, that's not the one, go back, click on it, click on fine, that's where you can add image. See the image here and gallery. So let's click on the gallery to choose. So if I want to choose image now, I can just choose any of the images here and no WhatsApp. I can just choose any of the image here, or it might be video. You can choose, you can put video under there itself. So let me just choose this, and you can see it automatically bring the stuff in. So if I click back on the stuff, I can edit as well. You see this up, the components up here, they are working for different, they are working for various things. Once I'm done, I can come here and click it. If I want to undo what I just do, I click here. If I want to crop, I come here. If I want to double that particular iPad's icon, I come here. If I want to delete, I come here, and there are more options here. So there are different methods you can use, different design and different article. And so we have choosing that if I want to crop, I can just come and crop it, zoom it and zoom out and shift the stuff. So once I'm through, you mark it here, and we are good. So the next thing is, assuming I want this down image to come up, to come on top that image now. So come to these three dots. So come to that three dots, then click on this until it come up. That shows coming up. Then if it is on this, if this is available, that shows it should go under the picture. So just click on it until it come up. So that's how we can do that. So let's just undo. How to save this particular icon? Yes, so once I'm through, I can just come here. Yes, that place that I circled, click on it. Yes, and go to this first one, save as, that one that they put suggested. Click on it, then go to download. So there are many times that if you click on this option, it will show you the others, but this PNG is okay, it's more sharper than JPG. Yeah, that's JPEG. So and click on download, then it will automatically download your design. Your design will be published, so it will save it and ask you if you want to share. So let's just go back, cancel this. I just cancel this and go to continue editing. Continue editing. Yes, so there are some times that it might be more than one page. So if you want to add the page, you can come here, click on it, then click here. Yes, see the page is now double. So you can just change the image here. If you click on it, the image is already showing here. Click on it and change the image if you want to. can just change it to another stuff or video. So if it is video now, it will be showing you and you can actually save it. So it will be video and it can show like this as picture with video, so you can use more of that picture for that stuff. So that you can still change it and know what's up. You can still change it to another thing. Let's say this now is a phone pouch and you want to save. So if you click on that save icon up here, it will ask you if you want to save all the pages. If you select all the pages. So if you don't want to save all the pages, you can just go there and select the one you want to save. If it is 1, you choose. If it is 2, you choose. If it is both, you choose. You can just mark the page you want. We have saved 1 the other time, so let's just save 2. Click on done and download. So that's the beautification of Canva. You can also make use of different features, amazing more than the one we have been doing since. So these tools, there are many various tools there. You can just click and know how they work. There are many tools there that you can just. So this is just like a basic. See you in the next video.